wholeheartedly welcoming you all to my channel, Ray of Light. Quad 10. Look deep into nature and then you'll understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Do you know what happens when you deep looking into anything? Scientifically, your mind starts to absorb more information about what you just have focused. It starts to collect more information like color, pattern, design, shape, etc. Likewise, spending time with nature is not only about more oxygen and relaxation, but you alone improve your observation. Thank you for watching. Hit a like, comment if you're a nature observer, share it, and subscribe for magical quotes. Thank you.